How to turn on or off flashlight on Android. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn on or off the flashlight on Android, it is pretty simple. Start off by scrolling down the notification center. Right over here, locate the option of flashlight at the top. With a simple click, you'll be able to activate or turn on the flashlight, and by tapping it off, it will be simply turned off with a simple tap. However, if you cannot locate the flashlight icon, this means you have not activated this in your Android device. To get this feature, tap on the pencil icon, which would be in the either side of your mobile device. Then, if the flashlight icon or the tile is over here, all you need to do is basically tap on it, then arrange where you want it to be. After that, you can just head back from here and you will get yourself the flashlight feature. And with a simple click, you'll be able to turn off or turn on the flashlight on Android. If your Android is not up to date, you can even search for the Torchlight application right here in your home screen. You can locate it and you can turn it on or off. However, in the updated version, the Torchlight option will be right at the top. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.